to have you with us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast, live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. First, the top stories. Two patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 today. Effort to develop organizational capacity by National Association of Eritrean Teachers. A fire set off by a lightning strike at an oil storage facility in Cuba. U.S. readies $1 billion weapons package for Ukraine. An announcement from the Ministry of Health. Two patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in tests carried out today at testing stations in the central region. On the other hand, 6 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospital in the central region have recovered fully and have been discharged from the facility. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,906, while the number of deaths stands at 103. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 10,118. Ministry of Health, Asmara, 7th August 2022. The National Association of Eritrean Teachers reported that strong effort is being exerted to develop organizational capacity of teachers with the view to strengthen their contribution in the teaching-learning process, indicating that there are over 29,000 members of the association. Mr. Simon Mahari, chairman of the association, said that commendable effort is being exerted to realize the vision of the association. Pointing out that teachers are one of the basic force in the development of society, Mr. Simon further noted that the association is working to develop the overall capacity of teachers so that they contribute their part in nurturing competent generation that play the role in the nation-building process. According to the document of the Ministry of Education, currently 32.8% of the active teachers are certificate holders, 25.9% diploma, and 14.8% first degree holders and above. Mr. Simon said that postgraduate, first degree as well as diploma programs are ongoing to further develop the capacity of teachers. Mr. Simon also said that the number of schools that were 280 academics and 1 technical school before independence have increased to 1,542 academics and 7 technical schools. The number of students has also increased from 2,000 to 650,000, Mr. Simon added. The residents of Waki and Zagir administrative areas, Serejaqasab zone, are conducting greening popular campaign in their areas, indicating that the residents are conducting the popular campaign since March. Qashi Tasfa Silasye Gebra Meskel, administrator of the Zagir administrative area, said that so far 16.7 hectares of land has been terraced and about 4,000 tree seedlings planted. Commending the strong participation of the residents in the program, Mr. Abraham Berhane, head of the agricultural office in the subzone, said that so far the residents have planted 3 seedlings at 155 hectares of land. According to reports, commendable water and soil conservation activities are being conducted through the students' summer work program, and that so far 270,000 tree seedlings have been planted in Serejaqasab zone. You are watching ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news following a short break. A fire set off by a lightning strike at an oil storage facility raged uncontrolled in the Cuban city of Matanzas, where 4 explosions and flames injured 121 people and left 17 firefighters missing. Cuban authorities said an unidentified body had been found yesterday. Firefighters and other specialties were still trying to quell the blaze at the Matanzas supertanker base, where the fire began during a thunderstorm Friday night. The Minister of Energy and Mines tweeted. Authorities said about 800 people were evacuated from the Dubrok neighborhood, which is closest to the fire. The government said it has asked help from international experts in friendly countries with experience in the oil sector. Deputy Foreign Minister Carlos Fernandez de Cosio said the U.S. government had offered technical help to quell the blaze. On his Twitter account, he said that the proposal is in the hands of specialities for due coordination. Minutes later, President Miguel Diaz-Canel thanked Mexico, Venezuela, Russia, Nicaragua, Argentina, and Chile for their offers of help. A support flight from Mexico arrived last night. Cuba's health ministry reported that 121 people were injured, with 5 of them in critical conditions. The presidency of the republic said that 17 people missing were firefighters who were in the nearest area trying to prevent the spread. The accident comes as Cuba struggles with fuel shortage. There was no immediate word on how much oil had burned or was in danger at the storage facility, which has 8 giant tanks that hold oil used to fuel electricity generating plants. The United States is preparing a new $1 billion security assistance package for Ukraine, which will include munition for long-range weapons and armored medical transport vehicles. This is according to Reuters news agency. The package would be one of the largest so far and is expected to be announced as early as Monday. 3 sources briefing on the matter told Reuters the U.S. has given about $8.8 billion in aid to Ukraine since Russia's invasion on February 24. The official speaking to Reuters on the condition of anonymity said that President Joe Biden had not yet signed the next weapons package and cautioned that weapon packages can change in value and content before they are signed. However, if signed in its current form, it would be valued at $1 billion and include ammunition for high mobility artillery rocket system and National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, as well as some 50 M113 armored medical vehicles. The Pentagon recently announced Ukrainians would be allowed to receive medical treatment at a U.S. military hospital in Germany near Rastein Air Base. Last Monday, the Pentagon announced a separate security assistance package for Ukraine valued at up to $550 million, which also include additional ammunition for HIMARS. However, the White House declined to comment on the package. HIMARS play a key role in the battle between Ukraine and Russia, which has settled into the war of attribution fought primarily in the east and south of Ukraine. And now a review of the top stars. 2 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 today. Effort to develop organizational capacity by National Association of Eritrean Teachers. A fire set off by a lightning strike at an oil storage facility in Cuba. U.S. readies $1 billion weapons package for Ukraine. That's all with the news for this evening. Thank you for being with us.